Society of Lash ladies, how you guys doing? Hopefully you all have received your beauty box from Society of Lash, and inside you will see a felt tip liner that looks like this. If you keep on watching, I'm going to show you how to use this liner and then also how to create this look going on here. There's ways to make just a traditional classic line going across too, so don't be scared by the cat eye. Alright, keep on watching. In your beauty box, you should see an eyeliner that looks like the one here. This is the one I'm going to be talking about today. Our eyeliner here has a pointed tip to it, making it easy to do clean, precise, crisp lines, especially for like a cat eye, which I love. So here you can see, it's kind of blurry, I'm sorry guys. So towards the end, I'm going to redirect the movements again. But I'm stamping here. I'm stamping from outer to inner corner, and then I am gliding. So first you want to stamp, then you can glide. That way, when you do glide, you don't get any skipping, and this goes for any liner. So here I'm just kind of angling it for a straight line, just extending a little bit past your lash line to extend your eye. And from here, for those cat eye lovers, I'm kind of going to be angling the precise tip to my eyebrow, the end tail of my eyebrow. So when we're doing this, you know, wherever your eyebrow is supposed to end, wherever you draw it onto, that's kind of where you want to plop down your point, like I just did there. That's going to be your guide. So from your guide, because the point is so precise, you can really go from your guide and just drag in towards the center, and then drag in towards the lower lash line as well. And any mistakes that you might make or little sprinkles that get anywhere, you can use a Q-tip to kind of just lift up pretty easily. You can let it dry first. You don't have to do it while it's wet. Here you can see, and some of it is out of film because I was trying my hardest to look in the mirror and the camera, so I'm sorry guys. I am making kind of like a cat eye inner corner. Not everyone does this, and you definitely don't have to do this. I just sometimes will add this little effect for some drama. So I kind of came from the top lash line down in, and then went underneath and into the lower lash line. And you can also get a Q-tip to blend this into the lower lash line as well before mascara. And this mascara, oh my god, I love this mascara. I don't know if everyone else does this, but I coat the backs of my lashes and then the fronts of my lashes just to get a lot of density to them, especially when we don't have lash extensions. So, you know, just tips and tricks, guys. This here is a brightener, so you can use this for underneath the brow bone. This is by Thrive Cosmetics. They're great. I also use this to clean up anywhere that you might want to just make a little crisper, especially underneath the lash line. You know, where mascara can hang out or little things pop up. This just adds a little extra brightness to the eye, especially if you have no other eyeshadow going on. This is a nice little pick-me-up. If you don't have something like this at home, you can also use a concealer, or even a concealer a shade lighter than you would typically do, and that will help to also brighten the eyes, as well as cleaning up any imperfections that you may have left along. And Q-tips are your best friend as well. And I'm about to show you, again, how to angle towards the tail end of your eyebrow. Again, there's no right or wrong. This is just like a good guide that I like to stick to. Then you want to stamp from the inner to the outer corner, or the outer to the inner corner. I typically do this before creating my guide, but you are welcome to create your guide first and then start stamping, whichever works best for you. I do want to add that if you have smaller eyes, I would use a nude pencil or white pencil in the inner rim on the bottom, but I wouldn't connect the liner to the bottom rim. That way your eye appears more open. And then opposite for people who have bigger eyes. Let's connect that liner to the bottom lash line. Closes the eye off a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching this eyeliner tutorial. Hopefully you've at least learned an extra nugget of information that you can apply to your everyday routines. If there's anything that I didn't specifically go over, like eye shape wise, or if you have a specific question or something around the subject, just shoot us over an email and we'll get back to you shortly.
Other than that, we hope to see you guys extremely soon. And we hope that you stay healthy, stay happy, stay positive, any way that you guys can. But we really hope to see you guys soon.